Hi everyone, my name is Ms. Alvarez. Welcome to my kindergarten class. Today we're gonna be learning about fractions. Let's get started with some drawings and examples that I'm gonna give you. First of all, we start drawing our circle. And for this circle, we're gonna do 1/2. So we want to Alright, for this fraction, we have 1/2. So 2 means that we need 2 equal parts on our circle. Let's make sure this is distributed in half. It needs to be equal to. So we have 1 and 2. The numerator represents what we're shading. So here we have 1. We have to shade 1/2. So here is our half. This is our first example. 1/2. So here it is. 1, 2. 2 equal pieces. This is our denominator. Let's remember denominator and numerator. Denominator and numerator. 1 and 2. So 1, 2 is denominator, and the 1 represents the numerator. This is the pieces that we have to shade. So here we have 1/2. This is our first example. All right, let's keep going. For second examples, we're gonna be using squares. Okay, let's make sure that we have our square written down. All right, this example is gonna be 2/4. Okay, keep in mind, our denominator represents the total amount of pieces that we have in this square. So for this example, we have 4. We need to have 4 pieces. Let's make it equal. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, guys. Now, the numerator is gonna give us an idea of how many pieces we need to shade in. So for this example, we have 2. 2/4. So here's 1 and 2. Good job, guys. All right, let's keep going. All right, guys. For our third example, we're gonna be using hearts. All right. So we're gonna have 6/10. Remember, the bottom parts represents our denominator. We need 10 hearts. Let's make sure we have our 10 hearts. Let's start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, now we have to shade 6. All right, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so this represents 6/10. 6/10, guys. Let's keep it up. If you guys have any question, please make sure that you send me an email or ask during classroom. Alright guys, that's gonna be all for today. Thank you so much for listening, paying attention, and taking your notes. Make sure we do our homework because yes, I will have homework for you guys. And if you guys are stuck on a problem, skip it, go to the next one, and I'll help you next day. Thank you so much.